Wow, what an awesome new country. I waited a long time to get here, and now here I am. I love my new apartment. I can't wait to decorate my room. Wow, everyone here is so friendly. I love the food here. We had this restaurant at home that served it, and I ate there all the time. I can't wait to start school. Wow, I think we can all agree that it was a big mistake to come here. My apartment is so small and dark. I miss my cat. My friend said we would Skype all the time, but the time zone is hard to schedule. Everyone here stares at me like I'm an alien. I don't have any friends. People here are so weird. And the food? The grocery store only has one tiny shelf of anything that I like. I need to call home. Someone needs to get me out of here. There's no point in doing schoolwork. I'm not staying. I know what I said last time, but things are okay. School is going better, and we found a place that sells my favorite snack. People told me there'd be an adjustment, so I guess that was it. I don't know if I'll ever fit in here. People's values and perceptions are so different from my own. Sometimes I don't feel comfortable talking to others. A lot of the things I thought were true, I don't always know anymore. I don't think I'm adapting very well. It's my fault. Well, I've been here for a year now, and things are going pretty well. My school connected me with some clubs that I'm passionate about, and I know that a lot of people share my thoughts and feelings. I've found a lot of new foods that I like, and I have a small group of friends. I guess no place is perfect, and I still miss home, but I'm making the most of my time here. Welcome back, mentors! Today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 stages of culture shock and how you can help your newcomer students overcome their lows. In the span of about 1 year, a newcomer will experience the highs and lows of the culture shock curve. Stage 1 is the honeymoon. The family has planned this move for a while and they're excited and engaged. Stage 2, around month 4 or 5, culture shock sets in. Students are tired of all the adaptations they must make. They want to return to normal. They're angry, tired, homesick, and overwhelmed. Stage 3 is recovery. Things begin to look up. Adaptations are easier. Things are okay. Student re-engages with social and school life. Stage 4 is the isolation stage. This stage is more internal than the culture shock stage. The student starts to question themselves and their own beliefs and the values of home versus the values of the new country. They feel they're failing to adapt because of internal flaws. Stage 5. After about 1 year, students start to adapt to their new country. They accept and better understand their new culture. They see the new place is nuanced and find their own niche where they fit in. How you can help. The stages of culture shock are predictable and natural. The first thing I would do is recognize this for yourself and tell students the way they feel is normal and will pass. Answer questions related to cultural differences. Why don't Canadians talk about their personal lives? Why do they eat so many potatoes? Respect and show interest in home culture. Allow the use of first language. If possible, connect students with clubs or like-minded friends. Recognize that mom and dad are probably also going through these extreme lows, so home may be unpleasant. Cut students some slack. If a usually happy and engaged child is out of sorts, then don't push them to do that reading activity. They're going through a lot and they might need a break. Connect students with school-based counselor through your school principal. If you're noticing that students are not adapting, they've gone through these stages, they seem to be really stuck longer than, say, 2 months in a down period with no improvement, you're probably going to want to connect them with school-based counseling. Thanks for watching.